A new classroom. What do you see on this cover? The children, Mrs. May, and a lady wearing a hard hat. What is gonna happen? Let's see. Some people came to the school. They wore hard hats. They looked like they were builders. They put a fence across the playground. The children looked at the fence. There was a sign saying, "Danger! Keep out!" "What is it for?" asked Biff. Nobody knew. A lorry came to school. It had blocks on it. "What are they for?" asked Biff. Then a digger came. The children were excited. Some men dug a long trench across the playground. "What is it for?" everyone asked. It was time to go in, but the children didn't want to. They liked the digger. Mrs. May looked at the trench. "It's for a new classroom," she said. The children were excited. They wanted to find out about the new classroom. The children looked at some books. Biff read a book about house building. Will found a book about diggers. Chip painted a picture of a digger. Mrs. May took the children outside. They talked about the digger. Mrs. May took a photograph. Everyone looked at the blocks. "The classroom will go on the blocks," said Mrs. May. Then a crane came to school. The children were excited. They looked at the driver. "What is it for?" asked Biff. "Wait and see," said Mrs. May. The children watched the crane. It lifted the classroom over the wall. Everyone watched the classroom. The classroom looked big and heavy. "Don't drop it," called Chip. Biff looked at the classroom. Something was wrong. "Mrs. May! Mrs. May!" called Biff. "Don't shout, Biff," said Mrs. May. The crane put the classroom on the blocks. The crane lifted the roof and put it on the classroom. Something was wrong. "Mrs. May!" called Biff. "Something is wrong." "Don't shout, Biff," said Mrs. May. What did Biff spot? Everyone gasped. The classroom was upside down. "Look at the door. It is upside down." "Oh dear," said Mrs. May. "I said something was wrong," said Biff, "but nobody would listen." The crane put the classroom the right way up. The children wanted to look inside. The children went inside. Will saw a door. "What's in here?" asked Will. Everyone gasped. "Oh no!" said Will. The toilet was upside down. What are they going to do? And that's the end. A new classroom. The builders arrived at school.